Hello everybody, I am Tony. Welcome to my channel. If you've never been here before, special welcome to you. Today I'm coming to you with my very first Polygel kit, which I'm going to go through with you guys. And then I just wanted to show you guys what I got. It's pretty cool. It's a basic Polygel kit though. You get instructions, which we all need those, especially me. You guys know I'm new to this stuff again. These are dual forms. They look like fake nails, but what they do is you put this product, comes in these little tubes, on the back of these, and you smooth it out, and then you pop it on your nails. And you do it lightly and carefully so you don't mess up the bead on the back of it. And then you cure it with UV or LED light. And then you pop these off and it leaves an almost perfect nail, or a perfect nail if you're really good. So those are in there. I got a whole bunch of alcohol pads to wipe my nails with and stuff like that. I got, of course, I can't get anything out of here. What did I do with my scissors? Scissors work for everything. Okay. I got base coat, which doesn't look that different than top coat. Everything is in black, I'm guessing, so it doesn't cure. Okay, I don't know if I'm going to need that. I'm going to show you guys these real quick. Let me show you this. I did use this, so this stuff is not brand new. This is the sanding block. It's pretty obvious. This is a nail file. This, to some of you guys, might be newer. This is a brush for the Polygel. And then on this end, we have a spatula that's a little sticky. I should have cleaned it off a little better, but that's okay. I can do that later. Okay, let's get into the Polygel itself. Okay. There is a purple Polygel that is, it cures in UV and LED light. There is a pretty green one right here, which I have used quite a bit of the green one. We have a yellow one. I realize that they all pretty much look exactly the same. This one is blue. We have an orange. And come on, a pink. So I am going to talk to you guys for a moment while I put this piece of thing. I swatched all the Polygels. This is what they look like regularly. So they're really pretty colors. They're not like jelly at all. They're pretty opaque. So I really like them. I'm going to put them up to my light and I'm going to let them sit there for a minute. These are glow in the dark. So they glow really, really, really pretty. So I'm going to sit here with them up to the light so that you guys can see exactly what they look like at night, kind of. I'm putting them in the light and then I'll show you guys in a second. So anyway, How are you guys doing? Good, I hope. I haven't talked to you guys in a couple days. I wanted to show you guys this kit, and I was really scared to get stuff out in front of these lights, but I did find out that my lights are probably, I didn't get like a full answer, but probably not strong enough to cure in my lights, because my lights probably are not that strong. LEDs are bright but not strong most of the time. So anyway, I asked Emily Susanna, and she was so grateful and answered me back within minutes. I was so happy and just so glad that she did that. Okay, I'm going to pull these down, and I'm going to shut my lights off real quick. And this is what they look like for the most part. They are really pretty. The blue is gorgeous. The purple is next to the green, and that's the least reactive one that there is. Let me turn on my other light. Okay, so that is what they look like again in the light. So you guys have to let me know what you think of my first kit. I do have quite a few other polygels coming. I have a few acrylics coming. I don't know what else. I have quite a few things coming in a kit that I think is supposed to come tomorrow, which is Sunday. So I'm not sure what's going on with that. I'm going to be doing what I would consider like half sets. Like, here is the first set that I did. This is just a set of like almost one of each color, because there are 6 colors. I couldn't fit one on each finger. And then I just put glitter and a really pretty diamond on it. And then my mom asked me what I was going to do for Mardi Gras. So I did a half set, which is 5 nails. I did this really pretty Mardi Gras glitter on 3 of my nails, and then I decorated these 2, which I don't think I did that good of a job, but I tried. It's going to be a process getting back into nails. Like, honestly, it's been years, and I have to think about that. The fact that it has been years since I've drawn on nails, and I've sat there like this and put little gems and stuff on nails. I mean, it's been a really, really, really long time. So I just have to keep that in mind and not let myself get frustrated or anything else. So I don't know. Let me know what you guys think of my very first polygel kit. I just wanted to show you guys swatches of it and all that. So let me know. And then, how do you think I did with my nail sets? I don't think I did the greatest, but I don't think I did the worst either. I mean, it could have turned out a whole lot worse. These ones right here, I didn't use the dual forms. I actually put tips on and I shaped them myself. So it was a lot harder than doing this, because I used the dual forms and then I chopped them almost all the way off, because I didn't want them to be that long at first. I wasn't ready for it. So anyway, I'm going to get going. Thank you so much for being here with me. I will talk to you guys very soon. I will probably be here with a video tomorrow if my haul comes. It should be a pretty big haul, so I should be able to make a dedicated video to it. So as long as that comes tomorrow, I'll put that up. If it doesn't, we'll see what I do. I'll do something. I have to decorate for March. I got all my my Walmart bag of decorations for March. So I'll do that. But that's it. So I will talk to you guys tomorrow or Monday. Love you guys a ton wherever you are, whatever time of day it is. I hope you're having a great one, and I will talk to you guys very, very soon. Love ya.